Polis Jenayah Seksual di Perlis mencatatkan peningkatan sebanyak 31% atau 12 kes bantu siasatan dakwaan salah laku seksual membabitkan mangsa pelajar sekolah yang tular di laman sosial.
Sexual harassment refers to any unwanted sexual behavior, comments, gestures, or actions to make people feel uncomfortable, intimidated, humiliated, or unsafe. It can occur in workplaces, public spaces, online platforms, and even educational institutions. Human rights are the fundamental rights and freedoms that every person is entitled to simply because they are humans. These rights include dignity, equality, safety, freedom of expression, and protection from discrimination and harassment. Media and human rights are closely related because the media helps expose human rights violations, informs the public, and holds individuals and institutions accountable for their actions. In April 2026, the University of Indonesia launched an investigation after a screenshot from student group chat went viral on social media.
16 orang bejat ini tadi bilang mau bertanggung jawab, jangan minta bantuan orang tua kalian. Kalau bisa cabut, angkat kaki selamanya, karena Eva nggak pernah jadi ruang aman selama kalian masih berkeliaran di sini.
The messages allegedly contained sexually explicit comments, degrading remarks about female students, and the objectification of women. Following public criticism, the university's Violence Prevention and Handling Task Force began investigating the allegations. Reports stated that 16 law students were being investigated and dozens of individuals may have been affected by the incident. There is right to dignity and respect. Every individual has the right to be treated with dignity regardless of their gender. Therefore, this case is not only about the inappropriate comments, but also protecting the human rights of the students. When the screenshot circulated online, news organizations began reporting on the allegations. As a result, the case gained public's attention. Media attention, the case may not have received the same level of public awareness or institutional response. The media coverage produced several positive outcomes. It raised public awareness about sexual harassment in educational institutions. It encouraged victims and witnesses to speak up and report about inappropriate behavior, and it sparked discussions about creating safer campuses and improving policies regarding sexual violences and harassment. This demonstrates how media can act as a watchdog in protecting human rights. Therefore, media organizations must balance the public's right to know with an individual's right to privacy and dignity. In conclusion, the 2026 University of Indonesia sexual harassment case highlights the strong relationships between media coverage and human rights.